How to check your recently watched Reels on Instagram? Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you different tips and methods you can use to find your recently watched Reels on Instagram. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so there is no direct history that we can check on Instagram to view our recently watched Reels. So we need to use some different methods that'll hopefully help us find and view any Reels that we watched in the past we want to watch again. All right, so the first method, if you're viewing Reels and you're just swiping through and you want to go back and see a Reel that you just watched, you can simply swipe down to go in reverse and see the Reels that you've already swiped past. So this would be a great way to rewatch a Reel that you very recently watched. But if you're looking to find a Reel that you watched maybe a couple days ago or a couple weeks ago, there's a method we can use to find that. So to do that, the first thing we need to do is go to our profile, and we can do that by selecting our profile icon in the bottom menu of Instagram. Once you get to your Instagram profile, select the three horizontal lines in the top right of Instagram to open the menu, and then select your activity. Now all we need to do is check two different areas under interactions. So first select likes, and in here you'll see all the different likes that you made on Instagram. This includes on any Reels. So if maybe you liked the Reel that you're looking for, you can find it in this list here because this contains all the likes you made on Instagram. You can use the top to filter out different dates or even authors. So you'll be able to see all the different authors here, and you can search through them to find the author of the Reel that you were looking for. Additionally, maybe you made a comment on the Reel that you're looking for. You can go into your comments here and see a history of all the comments that you've made on Instagram, and this includes any Reels. So you can go through, filter these, or scroll through these if you want to find the Reel that you watched in the past. All right, so hopefully this helped you check your recently watched Reels on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.